talk about the FPPR Two-Sided Vibrating Masturbator. So this is the FPPR Two-Sided Vibrating Masturbator itself. As you can see, it features a very discreet design, so it's perfect to take away with you, and of course very simple and easy to use, and it's great for both beginners and advanced users. Now the sleeve feels very soft against the skin, and it features obviously two openings which are very simple and easy to remove. Here you can see the two sleeves. It's made of a very soft, stretchy, flexible material and features stimulating nubs on the inside as well as two vibrating bullets. It features 10 powerful vibration modes. To turn on, push and hold on the power button just here, and a blue light will come on. This means it's in standby mode. Press once more and the vibrations begin. Click on that same button to switch through the vibration modes, and of course you have to use it yourself for penis stimulation. Turn off, push and hold down for a few seconds, and it's now off. To charge, it's simple and easy to do with the USB charging cable provided. Simply attach like so, and it can be recharged for you. Now it is very simple and easy to clean as well. The sleeve is removable. Gently pull it from each side so it's completely out. You do need to remove the electrical parts just here. So to do this, make sure you remove the vibrating egg just here on each side. And thanks to the stretchy material, these are very simple and easy to remove. Once it's both removed, as you can see, you're just left with the masturbator sleeve and the vibrating eggs are on the inside. Now, when using the sleeve in the masturbator, we'd highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant on the inside as well as your penis for optimal stimulation and comfort during use. Clean the sleeve after every use with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Make sure the sleeve is completely dry before using again. And to pop it back in, all you need to do is find the little cylinder hole just here. It is very stretchy and simple to get back in. Gently push it in all directions until it gently sits in. And of course, make sure to do this with the other side as well. And make sure the egg is completely encased in. And make sure to do this gently and take your time. Here's the other opening. Gently push in, wiggle it about, and make sure it goes all the way up as well. It's almost in. As you can see, it's completely in now. All you need to do is gently push the sleeve itself back in. So gently just push everything back, and of course you can always use the sleeve itself to pop it back into place. Once it's got onto the other side, all you need to do is make sure the sleeve itself sits perfectly on top of each other. Make sure the outer edges aren't poking out, and make sure you do the same to the top one as well. And of course, once it's back into place properly, all you need to do is pop the cap back into place, make sure they're on properly, and it's ready to go again till next time. There is also a user manual to help you with your experience. For more information on the FPPR Two-Sided Masturbator, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.